A very good morning, it's Fabio and welcome back to another daily market outlook. Now, EURUSD has pushed down lower, closing below this overall buy up before that big sell down. So we can clearly see that the overall momentum is still in towards the downside. This is now our entire area of supply, which could push the market down lower again. So the dollar index is currently pulling back. If we just quickly go into the DXY, we can see that we've been making a pullback. As you guys know, this red zone for now is our area of demand. So the overall fractal structure is bullish. Overall structure is just simply still bullish. The protected low at the moment is the low of this bearish candle over here. So as long as that low holds, I am still interested in just looking for further upside from the dollar index. So that's that for the dollar. Going back into EURUSD real quick, looking here at the daily, we are inside daily supply, going towards the 4-hour time frame, and there is still some momentum to be gained here on the 4-hour. We have 4-hour supply situated over here. We have 4-hour supply situated over here. So I'm just keeping an eye on these two zones for now. We have liquidity resting above this high, so I'm not interested in taking any shorts until we come at least above this area of liquidity, and then I'll be interested in looking for potential shorts from EURUSD. Nothing in my opinion until then. That would also be the moment that the dollar index would hit its area of demand and pop down below this low over here. So I want to at least see the dollar index pop down below that low and then look for further upside. Obviously, it doesn't need to pull back that deep. It could also just start pumping, but then I'll keep an eye on this 4-hour fractal high. If that 4-hour fractal high goes, then we could already start pushing up higher. So keep that in mind when looking at the dollar index. Going into AUDUSD, AUDUSD has been pulling up pretty aggressively all the way into the extreme. I am currently staying out of AUDUSD due to the fact that if we just look at what the market has been doing here, it is very clearly that it's just consolidating, right? So this is my overall consolidation box, and you can very clearly see that the market has pushed below this lowest point, just simply grab liquidity, shown us a V-shaped reversal. Yes, we have supply over here, but I would need to see something on the 1-hour happen, which is a trend shift, a clear trend shift. So yes, we have 1-hour supply over here refined on the 1-hour time frame, but what I want to see, if I just quickly go back into the 1-hour, is momentum to shift. So this is now your fractal low. I want to see a double break in towards the downside, and I want to see that bearish momentum really kick in, because for now I am not seeing it here on AU. But if that were to happen, then a short would be far more interesting. Looking at the daily real quick, the daily has or is very close to its daily fractal high. So at the moment, the high of this bearish candle over here is your daily fractal high. So now the black line over here of 0.66449. So as long as that high is respected, yes, we are bearish, but we are very close to taking it out. Therefore, I'm being a little bit more hesitant with trading AUDUSD for now. But yeah, the only potential setup that I see is a short, and a short would potentially be able to play out if we see that on the 1-hour time frame, where we see a clear downtrend start to form. Now going into NZDUSD and GBPUSD. So GBPUSD first. GBPUSD has or is still stuck. In my opinion, I'm not a big fan of trading this at the moment. For me, it's just stuck inside of this red box. If we would refine it a bit more, it's just stuck inside of this. So you can just clearly see it's just playing ping pong. So for now, I'm not interested in getting involved with this. Yes, and I'm sorry guys, my eye is still very bad. So I'm doing my best. I have a big infection in my right eye. But we have this area of 1-hour supply over here. Yes, this could push the market down lower. Personally, not interested in getting in it just because of the high risk of trading this with the overall market just being extremely consolidative. If you like to be a little bit more aggressive with taking setups, then definitely look at this 1-hour area of supply for a potential short. If it pushes up higher, look at this extreme 1-hour area of supply over here. So 2 areas of supply, and then what you obviously want to see is structure form, see the 1-hour change of character, and then get in on a potential short. Yeah, shorts are still higher probability than longs in my opinion, as the daily fractal structure is still bearish, with this being your daily fractal high, so the high of the bearish candle. So as long as that high is respected, ultimately you should and would want to be looking for further downside. Also expecting that the dollar is going to remain bullish for now. That makes or would make sense to let GBPUSD drop down lower. Going into NZDUSD, NZDUSD is similar to AU, where we're coming into the extreme. At the moment, your daily fractal high is the high of this red candle. That is the high that took out this low over here. So we could say that we're now inside the buy before the sell, which is acting as an area of supply. So NZDUSD shorts are interesting. Looking here at the 4-hour time frame, a little bit less bullish momentum than AU, which is a good thing. We have a clear area of 4-hour supply, so I'm looking for a potential short from this red zone. Yesterday's red zone did cause a reaction, but no follow through. Now looking here at the 1-hour time frame, initial sellers have now been stopped out. We can see the 2 equal highs getting taken out. I talked about this, I think, in yesterday's video, and now what I'm waiting for is just to see a reaction to this area of supply. So now I want to see a trend shift, and then we could look for potential shorts. This for me is a fake area of demand, as there's no liquidity in the overall push up. So a potential short is definitely interesting, but we need to see bearish confirmation from this area of supply. Shorts are obviously interesting as long as the daily fractal high holds. If the daily fractal high were to break, then yes, we can look for further upside once again. Last of all, gold. Gold is bearish due to Donald Trump obviously being chosen as president, as he wants to stop all wars. At least that's what he says. Therefore, gold is dropping. At the moment, it is back inside the daily area of demand, which we highlighted yesterday. So this is just your area of consolidation, which is now causing consolidation. Yes, we could see a short-term pullback. Look here at the 4-hour time frame. What you'll see is that we have some liquidation here on the 4-hour. So we liquidated the early buyers, and let's see, this is now your 4-hour fractal high. For now, that is the high that is being respected. Let's just keep an eye on it. For the rest, we have some equal lows still that are able to be taken out. I don't want to be trying to catch a falling knife. Let's definitely wait for some more momentum to come in on gold if we want to take any longs, but I would definitely see it as a possibility that we could still push down lower. So yeah, further correction on gold is likely. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Wish you all a fantastic trading day. I'm going to be active inside Discord, so make sure to join there. Link in the description down below, and see you inside.